Hey, what's up guys? Right now for this video we're gonna be doing a few installs. We're gonna do a headlight install, hood strut install. Is that what they're called? Hood struts?
Yeah, sure.
Hood something. Instead of using the metal bar to hold your hood up, you use that instead. Yeah, you guys will see.
Well, I didn't have anything. Right now I'm using that old, I guess, wheel cleaner, car cleaner that we don't use no more. So.
Hey, are these the right wheels? The right headlights? Or are those the right headlights?
Those are the right headlights.
Oh.
So yeah, we're also gonna be putting some stickers on the fog lights, just some OEM stuff, nothing too crazy.
Bro, you even bought one of these?
Just over there being extra, you know how he is.
Yo, check this out.
Yeah, we'll update you guys in 1 sec.
It was broken. I had to take it out the other one and it broke, so I just did it right now. Get another one for later. It's okay. I looked at the picture. It's kind of like it's a little crooked, a little bit, not bad, not a little bit, a little crooked. Well, I want to get a peek at it.
So we got this, headlights, and strut.
Alright, and then we can put the stickers.
Oh, and the sticker. Do all that. Yeah, we're gonna need Jeff for that one.
Hey, why does Danny's car look like that one meme where the guy's eyes are popping out of his head?
Oh yeah, a little bit. I don't know if you can be able to hear any of that.
Nah, you can't hear this. Babe, blow engine black. Oh shit. Oh, what's that, Gio? What you got there, Gio? Merch. As Gio said, merch.
Yo.
Merch.
Yo.
Merch. Merch. No, not those yet.
Ain't a Sprite, you know.
Man, cold ones with the boys? Saturdays are for the boys?
Cucumber flavor with a hint of lime. Hint.
Yo, the first guy
Yo, this is straight
that
up
came up with carbonation looked at water and he's like, hey, you know what this shit should do? Hurt.
Have to go to here to plug in to here.
So, this plug goes to there.
Yeah, this plug goes to there.
So,
Wait, before you plug it in real quick. I want to see if I turn on the headlight. That light turns on. So if it is, that is the right one. Is it on?
nope.
Does it need power?
You might need power, bro. Or it's just accessory.
Put on your main headlights. Brights? Nah, this don't work. What the fuck is this?
Oh, does it need a ground?
Maybe, but I don't know what the fuck this is. I'm scared to touch this or something.
That voltage to kill you?
Nah, 12 volt. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut black. No, cut that off. That's done. Now take the headlight out. Disconnect all this shit.
Hold up. Let me disconnect this one real quick. Halo burn.
Oh, what the fuck? When did that happen?
I don't know. I got them.
Oh,
So I'm changing them.
bad grounds.
That plus I don't want the Halo eBay ones either. The all wires. Look at all wires are spliced. This guy doesn't know how to do wiring at all. So I said I ain't messing with all that, man.
Yeah, we'll let Jeff fuck it up.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright guys, right now we're installing the hood struts. They're Grimmspeed.
They're good.
Yeah, I mean, they're pretty good quality. Danny doesn't have like a stand to keep his hood up, so this was a better alternative. So right now we're just taking off the screw off the fender. We'll keep you guys updated with how it goes and how to do it. I'm looking at the opposite. So we pretty much got the first one on, guys, so we're gonna go step by step exactly how to do this. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I mean, some people like videos of how to do things, so we're just gonna do it. So guys, we're gonna take this bolt off right here.
Should be a 10 mil. Next, you're gonna take the replacement bolt that they give you with the ball head. Make sure you have the little retainer on. Then always start it by hand.
Sponsored by Milwaukee.
Next, you're going to remove the top bolt off the hood bracket. The direct factory one should be a 13 millimeter. This is an aftermarket bolt with a little hex head. So we're just going to unscrew it like so. Before we bolt it up to the hood, we got to mount the bracket to the actual strut. We're going to put the 13 millimeter replacement into the grooved side. And put it back into the OEM hole. Once it's started, come by with some Ugga-Duggas. And it's 4 Ugga-Duggas. My hand hurts.
Hey guys, when you're putting on the struts, the Grimmspeed struts, make sure the plastic things go up the part that attaches to the hood. You'll know what I mean if you're installing it. We had it to the side, it didn't fit right, so make sure they go up.
Pull up a little more. A little higher. Push up a little higher.
A little higher.
Because I have to go right there.
That's fine. Next, you're going to have your homie lift up the hood just a little bit more. Take the open end of the ball. Throw the retainer on it. And push down till you hear the light click. Can you lift up a little bit? There we go. For the little retainer clip, guys, how it actually works is there's a small little pinhole right at the top that you're going to feed it through. And then push it around. It should latch into the collar right here, and you should be able to feel it poke out through the other end of the hole on the bottom.
Is it on there? There? Are you straight? Your right hand's too high.
The picture.
Andrew,
Right side, it looks a little too high from my angle. Alright guys, I don't remember if we ended the last video, so catch you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed that hood strut install. See you guys.